everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's videos, I'm going to explain how to earn money with Google AdSense. Earning money has typically been associated with restricted to traditional offline route, with the internet taking over a large part of our lives. More people are looking to ways to earn money online to increase their financial influence. With secondary income streams, you should be mindful of the platform that you choose. While there are numerous ways to earn money online, some of these might be fake. Also, do not expect to earn a huge amount quietly when using online avenues to earn. Freelancing with always been a popular way to earn money online, and the internet has several options. There are several websites offering freelancing tasks for people with varying skills. All you need to do is to create an account, browse through the listings, and apply for the task that suits you. Some websites may even require you to create a personal listing with the details of your skill sets so that interested clients can contact you directly. Outfiber, Upwork.com, Freelancer.com, and Workinhere.com, some websites that provide freelancing jobs you can earn anywhere between $5 and $100 through these websites. But remember, you will only get paid once you successfully complete the given task and it has been approved by your clients. This may even mean revising the work several times unless the requirements of your clients are met. Some sites may ask you to set up a PayPal account, as most clients prefer to make payments digitally via it. Starting your own website, there is enough material available online to help you to put a website. This includes choosing the domain, templates, layout, and the overall design for your websites. Once you're ready to service the visitors with the relevant content, sign up for Google AdSense, which when appear on your websites and clicked on by visitors, help you make money. The more traffic you get on your websites, the more will be potential for higher earnings. Affiliate marketing. Once your website is up and running, you could opt for affiliate marketing by allowing companies to insert web links on your site. This is like a symbolic partnership. When visitors to your site buy products or services by clicking on such links, you earn out from it. Service searches and reviews. There are various websites offering money to undergo online services. Carry out online searches and write reviews on products. To get credit, one needs to disclose certain information to them, including one's bank details. This is why you should use this route with utmost care. Some of them maybe even ask you to register with them before working on projects. The most important watch out in such projects is to stay away from websites offering money and appears too good to be true. Be careful when evaluating the reputation of the websites, as many of them could be a scam. Most websites promote businesses showing copies of checks, payments which may have been given to middlemen only. Virtual assistantships. Doing all the corporate stuff from one's home is what a virtual assistant does. VAs basically work remotely with their clients and manage two aspects of their businesses that they are too busy to handle themselves. When you work as a virtual assistant, you can choose to work as an employee or you can select up your own business. VAs are skills home-based professionals that offers companies business. VAs are skilled home-based professionals that offers companies, businesses, entrepreneurs, administrative supports Some of the major areas of work include making phone calls, emails, correspondence, internet search, data entry, scheduling, appointments, editing, writing, bookkeeping, marketing, blog management, proofreading, project management, graphic design, tech support, customer services, event planning, and social management. Becoming a VIA may require some degree of training or briefing, depending on your qualifications. However, if you possess good communication skills and are capable of using applications like MS Word, you can just sign up on sites such as elearns.com, 24/7 virtual assistant, assistant match, eHelp, freelancer, FlexJobs, People Per Hour, UAssist.me, Upwork, VA virtual assistants, virtual staff finder, Worldwide 101, Dipstick, virtual, and so on. Languages. Translating, knowing a language other than English may even help you earn some extra money. There are several websites that offer translation projects that require translating a document from one language into another. This may include Spanish, French, Arab, German, or any other language to go or from English. For many, this can make the task rather time-consuming, and therefore they hire translators available online from anywhere across the globe. Several websites such as freelancer.in, favor.com, workandhire.com, or upwork.com offers you a platform to be a professional translator. Those who do not have the knowledge or the time to complete their projects on their own put up their work on these platforms where you can register and start bidding on translating jobs and get paid in the range of Rs1, Rs5 per word. This can go up to Rs10 for some languages. Online tutoring. If you are an expert in a particular subject, you can earn by tutoring people online. Online tutoring provides a means to connect online with students of all the ages across the country to provide homework help and tutoring in the subjects for which you have demonstrated experts. One, you may sign up on websites like vedantu.com, myprivatetutor.com, bharattutors.com, tutorialindia.net as an online tutor by creating a profile and listening the subjects or classes you want to teach, how much experience you have, what your qualifications are, etc.